Hey, in front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Motorola. Begin with accessing device's calendar. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it, and then hit Got It. Now, in order to pick a date, you need to click on the month above and tap on the chosen one. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event. Now from here, just adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Click on your email address, tap on the best option for you. I will go with this email and tap on Family Events. Then click on Starting Hour. Select the perfect one and tap on OK to save your changes. You can do exactly the same to the ending one. If you actually don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this switcher next to All Day. Now click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every 2 weeks. If you want to customize one of options of your event, you need to tap on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. If you don't want it to repeat, just click on the same option and tap on Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose add location. Now click on while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and tap on the correct one. Then set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, take notes, add attachments, and even pick color of it. Then choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon, and making your changes. Then you can discard them by clicking on the top left corner or save them by choosing top right one. In order to get rid of your event completely, click on it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner, select Delete at the top, and confirm your choice by clicking on Delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!